I've got a special episode for you as I cover this month's cloud news from my country of origin, Australia. Microsoft are looking after you with security, new enterprise features, and VMware improvements. Google Cloud have a few events for you this month, and AWS has an outage scare. Hi, I'm Matt Carolyn, and welcome to Puck Online. We're going to bring you the hot topics for the last month in the public cloud space. Today we are here in Brisbane, Australia, where it's been non-stop raining. As you can see behind me, there's a lot going on, and all jokes aside about me bringing the weather with me from Vancouver, I hope nobody gets in any trouble out there with the torrential rains that have been happening for a few days now. So in Microsoft Azure news, if you're using VMware on Azure, then you're most likely an enterprise business. Then this announcement will be of interest. Azure Spring Cloud Enterprise entered public preview. It's a fully managed VMware Tanzu components, which helps you ship faster as well as long-term support for Spring projects. As well as Azure Spring Cloud Logs and metrics are now integrated into Elastic and instruments for Spring Boot applications. And fittingly, since I'm here, Azure NetApp Files is now available in an additional Australian region and supports a new cross-region replication pair. This next one has been a long time coming for any public cloud platform. In Azure, you now can automatically delete disks, NICs, and public IP addresses associated with VMs at the same time you delete the VM. And you can now handle unforeseen disk traffic spikes smoothly without the need to over-provision your virtual machines with virtual machine level disk bursting. Microsoft has debuted capabilities to help customers discover, manage, and govern users and workload permissions across AWS, GCP, and Azure with CloudKnox permission management. Microsoft acquired CloudKnox in July last year and are now in the position to start rolling out new features with more to come in the months ahead. And in Google GCP news, Google have a few upcoming events in the month of March. On the 9th of March, they have the first Google Cloud Security Talks for 2022. Then on the 15th of March, their Games Developer Summit returns. Both are online and you can find them using the links below. And if you haven't stumbled upon Priyanka's storytelling work for Google Cloud, I'd strongly recommend you check out the link below. She produces some amazing visual aid content. In particular, I like the interactive one she recently released, which lists every GCP service. And if you use Microsoft Defender to protect your environment today, you can now extend it to protect native Google GCP. Azure and AWS were already supported, so this plays well for a multi-cloud strategy, keeping management and workload protections under a single umbrella. And in AWS news, despite Down Detector at the end of February reporting that AWS was having an outage, it appears that everything is actually okay. Although Slack, GitHub, and Peloton all had issues around the same time, none of them have reported that the issues were related to AWS. And AWS also officially reported that they had not experienced any issues and that their official status site is showing no problems. And on the 14th of March, we'll see AWS celebrate 16 years of S3 innovation, which they will be recognizing with an event on the day called PiDay, which you can register for using the link below. And AWS have launched AWS Backup for S3, which makes it easier for you to centrally automate backup and restore your application data stored in S3, along with other AWS services for compute, storage, and databases. So in Wrapup, make sure to check out publiccloud.ninja for links to all our vodcasts, podcasts, and online meetups and events. And click the like and subscribe button so you can get notified each month when a new release comes out of an episode. Our next episode will be in April. Till then, stay safe and keep challenging yourself.